Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a two-part farm animal finger puppet quiet book page. Start out with your background color. I usually draw it all out on paper first to give myself a template. That way I know ahead of time how much space I need and how big I need everything to be without wasting felt. You need your basic barn shape. You'll need two equal 2 by 4 inch pieces for the doors. And then you can make a little window about this size just for decoration on the barn. So you'll need to make about 1/2 centimeter to 1 centimeter strips of white felt for all the trimming on the barn. You'll need red obviously for the barn, white for the trim, and then for the strip on the inside you'll need some brown. This is just going to house your finger puppets. It's going to act like a little pocket to put them in. You'll need some green for the grass. It's going to be for the other side, the little grassy field. You'll need some darker green for the bush, a darker brown for the muddy puddle, and then a lighter brown for the fence. For the fence, I took the light brown and cut it into about 1 centimeter wide strips. These will act as little pockets where you can put your finger puppets. You can also add some little decoration. I did some little clouds and a sun. To make the template for the finger puppet, just trace around your finger. You'll need light brown, dark brown, and white for the horse. This way you can make the little snout with the white and the hair and the ears and then the body. For the cow, you're going to need some white and some black. You can arrange them like this, add a little black spots to make it more noticeably a cow. For the chicken, you're going to need some orange, some white, and some red. For the chick, you're going to need some yellow and some orange. Make little wings with little orange details. And for the pig, you're just going to need some pink. For the pig, we're going to start by sewing on the little circle snout. Then you're going to take some thread, either black or brown, it doesn't matter, and we're going to hand sew on the face. We're going to do the little eyes and then the little slits on the snout for the nostrils. Then you're going to wedge in the ears and you're going to sew all along the edge of the pig, leaving the bottom open for your finger to be able to go in. So then that gives you a little cute finger puppet. I'm going to do the same thing for the others. So for the barn, the first step is to sew down the grass. You're going to sew on the basic barn shape. You can do it all in one piece. I had to do it in 2 pieces just because I didn't have a big enough piece of red felt. Next you're going to sew in the little window piece. You can add a little decorative piece of yellow felt that makes it look like hay in the window. And then you can do your strips of white felt for the trim all along the barn. Then you're also going to sew on the brown piece and then sew on the white trimming for your barn doors before sewing those on. For the brown piece, you're only going to sew along the side so that it can act as a pocket to house your finger puppets. Once you've sewn on the white trim for your doors, you can also add a little snap button so that you can make a closure. After you've sewn on the little closure, you can take your doors and sew them along the edges. Now for the other side, you're going to sew down the green grass and then you're going to sew down the bush, but make sure to leave a part open so that it can act as a pocket. You're going to do the same thing for the muddy puddle. And for the fence, I sewed the fence all together before adding it to the page. There, you got a cute little barn and a little place to put all your finger puppets.